Welcome in, welcome in. Today we've got the Yamatake Light Tactiles HMX. I am super late to the party with these ones. I wasn't going to cover these at all. With everyone saying they're really good, Keyboard Dad constantly telling me to buy them, and he's rarely wrong. We both share the same very close preferences when it comes to HMX. Honestly, after Hydra and Crisp, and the Retro J and Cilantros from yesterday, that triple threat combo of Hydro, Retro J, and Cilantro I just ran, these are underwhelming me really bad. I mean, technically, I think they're clacky. They kind of remind me of Zinhais in tone, but something about the way these type and clack, I'm super so about them. I think the clack is there-ish. The volume is lower. I don't know if it's the top out or what, but something about these aren't vibing with me. It could be a mismatch with the alu plate I've got in here. Many of the sound tests online are on carbon fiber. I find these just kind of quiet versus the phalanx of Hydro J and Cilantro. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to run a full sound test of this as is on alu. Then I'm going to record it back to back with this config versus as much clack as I can throw at it. So that means I'm going to switch to a CF plate and DCS caps. If I feel like it, I might throw JMK back on top and run a three-way back to back with the same switch. So you're going to have Yamatake Alu, Yamatake CF with DCS caps, and possibly GMK Extra on top. But honestly, after Crisp and Hydra, this switch is seriously unimpressing me at the moment, given the hype out there and love for this switch. If I ran this back to back against my top three, the Hydra, Retro J, and Cilantro, this switch would lose. It's definitely higher than something like the Wingtree High Tunes or the Gold Stems that I've been running, but something is off on this switch that I can't put my finger on. Anyway, here come the sound tests. Welcome back, welcome back. These Yamatakes, I don't really like these. Preferences, right? I get irritated, and why I don't cover these tactiles is there's so many of them, and none of them are going to beat my Cilantros and Retro Js. And except for the Hydra is very close. The rest of them are just going to be mid. Kind of like the Firecrackers. I do not like these switches. You guys be the judge. You tell me if I'm wrong, because I know there's a lot of love for this switch. It's a light tactile. It's probably better than the Kale ones, but something about this switch I do not like. I've given it the DCS treatment with carbon fiber plate. Still kind of quiet. Still not that clacky. I don't like this switch. Now, I haven't liked every single switch that everyone loves. People like the TT Reds, the linear. I did not like those. What can I say? You guys let your ears be the judge. Don't let me tell you what to buy necessarily. Trust your own ears. If this is what you like and you want a light tactile and that super clack stuff is not for you, maybe you can try these. I would say buy the Firecrackers before these. I do not like these too much. I'm not too sure why. They rub me the wrong way. Right now, I wasted my time making this video. You guys tell me I'm wrong, please. Okay? Peace out. I'll catch you on the next one.